Good morning students, welcome back to our tutorial class. In the last class, we have talked about the basics of logo. We have learned some logo primitives, logo commands that are used in logo programming. Today, we shall start a new chapter which is based on drawing and calculation in MSW logo. So in this chapter, basically we will learn how to draw and then make some simple calculations. We have already learned that logo is simple computer programming language. So everything in logo is done with logo primitives, logo commands. Everything in logo is done with the help of logo commands. Now let us learn about drawing and calculation in logo. The first command that we will learn about drawing is using a particular command called repeat command. So repeat command is one such command which allows us to repeat a set of different commands several times without typing them again and again. That means we need not type again and again, but the same command, if it has to be repeated a number of times, then we have to mention how many times that particular command has to be repeated. That is why we say that repeat command helps us to repeat the same set of instructions or the commands or the codes several number of times. So we don't need to type them again and again. In simple words, we can say that this is a command that helps us to repeat a set of different commands several times without typing them again and again. So I will show you a particular example where we type the same command several times, and using a repeat command we don't need to type them again and again. So a very simple drawing that can be done with the help of logo command will be shown using the logo program. So let's say that suppose I want to draw a square. Suppose I want to draw a square. If I want to draw a square without using repeat command, I will have to type each command several times. But using repeat command, I need not do that. So let me show you. Just look at the screen. Let's suppose we want to draw a square. So to draw a square without using a repeat command, let me show you. Just look at the screen. So first of all, I will have to type in the input box FD50 moving forward, and then I am right turning the head of the turtle by 90 degree, and then I am again moving forward 50 times, 50 steps, and then I am right turning my turtle RT90, and then again moving 50 times forward. Again I am right turning the turtle by 90 degree value. Again I am moving forward 50 times, then finally meeting up. Again I'm right turning the turtle. See, so the same commands FD50 RT90, FD50 RT90, FD50 RT90, FD50 RT90, the same commands every time I have written. But using repeat command, we need not type them each time. So to avoid this, I will show you how with one line of code the same drawing can be represented. So instead of writing all these FD50 RT90 FD50 RT90, see how many times it is repeated. 4 times it is repeated. Remember, forward 50 RT90 is repeated 4 times, but using a single line of code, by using a repeat command, we will execute the same program. So to do this, just look at the screen again. CS, clear screen, I'm clearing the screen. CT, I'm clearing the output box. Now let me use the repeat command. So to use the repeat command, very simple, write repeat REPEAT, either in capital or small. Repeat, how many times you want to repeat? 4 times, because I already said that I am repeating 4 times the same code. FD50 RT90, FD50 RT90, FD50 RT90, FD50 RT90, 4 times I am repeating. So what I will do is I will write how many times I am repeating. 4 times I am repeating, and then the square bracket. This is called square bracket. And what I am repeating, FD50 I am repeating 4 times, space RT90 also I am repeating 4 times, and then I'm finishing up with the square bracket. Remember here, repeat and the number of times 4 times, square bracket. What I am repeating, FD50 I am repeating 4 times, and RT90 also I am repeating 4 times. Now after writing, I will have to close with square bracket and click on execute. If I click on execute, the same thing is being repeated, or it is drawn again and again. It is repeated, and with a single line of code, this is the single line of code that I am using. Repeat 4 times FD50 RT90. The same code is executed a number of times. Here it is 4 number of times. See how easily we are drawing a particular square. So this is what you're drawing in logo about repeat command. We are using repeat command to draw a simple drawing, simple shape, so that the same code is repeated number of times, but without having them to type on the input box. So this is all about your repeat command. We can have so many different shapes using repeat command. Next topic is all about drawing polygons. These polygons also we will draw using the same repeat command. So here also we need not type again and again, but using repeat command and a single line of code will execute some drawings of shapes. So we will try to learn, try to understand how to draw polygons in logo. So basically a polygon is actually a closed figure made up of 3 or more lines. It can be made up of 3 or 4 lines, but they are closed. They are closed figure. So some of the examples of polygons are triangle, where we are having 3 lines but they are closed. Rectangle, we are having 4 lines but they are closed. Square, we are having 4 lines, they are closed. So polygons means basically made up of 3 or more lines, 3, 4, 5 lines, whatever, but they are closed figure. So examples of polygons are triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, etc. So by using the repeat command in logo, we will create different types of polygons. In our today's example, I will basically show you 2 different types of polygons that can be drawn using logo commands. The first one, let us see drawing a triangle using the old traditional method without repeat command. So to draw a triangle, just look at the input box and on the screen just type forward 100 steps. I'm moving forward and I'm right turning 120-degree value. So the triangle has been turned into 120-degree. So again I am moving forward 100 steps. Again I am turning the turtle right side by 120-degree value, and then again I am moving forward 100 steps. So again I am now turning the turtle's head right turn by 120-degree value. So here the forward and right turn values are used 3 times. Forward 100 RT 120, forward 100 RT 120, forward 100 RT 120. They are used 3 times. So instead of using or instead of typing the same command several times to draw a triangle, what we can do is we can use the repeat command in the input box and we can draw the same triangle without having the need to write them again and again. So to do this, I will show you now. Just clear the screen, CS clear screen, CT clear the text, the output box is cleared, the graphics screen is cleared. Now the turtle is at the center. We will use repeat command to draw the same triangle. Repeat, REPEAT, give some space. How many times we are repeating? 3 times. What we are repeating? FD 100 RT 120, FD 100 RT 120, FD 100 RT 120. We are repeating the same instruction 3 times. That is why I have written repeat 3 times space, use the square bracket and write FD 100 and RT 120 close with square bracket. So I am repeating 3 times FD 100 and RT 120. Now click on execute. The same drawing has been created. So this is how we are drawing a particular triangle using repeat command, and I have also shown you how to draw them without using the repeat command. So this is one example that I have shown. Next example I will show you is all about pentagon. Pentagon, which has got 5 different sides. Pentagon has got 5 different sides. So to draw this, we will be using the same repeat command. First of all, let me clear the screen. CS, I have cleared the screen. CT, I have cleared the text. So to draw a pentagon having 5 sides, I will use the repeat command. Repeat, REPEAT. Repeat. How many times I need to repeat to draw a pentagon? 5 times. I need to use 5 times FD some value, RT some value. Here 5 times I'm repeating square bracket forward 100 steps, and then the right turn should be 72-degree value, so that it exactly matches. If you give less than 72, it will not look exactly like pentagon, or if you give more than 72, it will not look exactly like pentagon. It will not be in a closed shape. So to make them in a closed shape, what we have to give is we have to right turn it by 72-degree value. Now after writing this particular command, you simply execute. I'm getting exactly 5 different sides in a closed shape, in a closed figure. So pentagon means having 3 or 4 sides, having 3 or more sides in a closed shape. Having 3 or more sides, but they should be in a closed figure, they should be in a closed shape. So here is a pentagon having 5 different sides, and I have drawn it using a particular command called repeat command. So in today's example, I have shown you 2 different examples. Try learning this. In the coming classes, I will show you more pentagon shapes which can be drawn using a repeat command. So with this, we come to the end of the class. So thank you.